Watch. The world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effect thing. You know it go already, you know. When me aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion. You know the most electrifying man by YouTube business I represent. Watch. Hear me now, man. Right now, you know, this is a very big disturbing news, you know. Not only to the parish where it happened, you know, but to the whole country itself, you know. Because you see yesterday the man them a show here, you know, the man them rape a little girl, you know. Then slash her throat, you know, and dump her body, you know. Is what me I deal with. And me I say, you know, right now, you know, the first thing, life get too sophisticated right now for you still have look up it and walk through bush. I said them a go school, you understand me? Yo, not saying I no school we send them, you know, but you can't send them through bush when nobody nah see nothing on them thing there. You nah got depend on just in a your brain them for go to school and a school them for want to them security. You know what I mean? So you now got to stand up in yourself, even as a parent, just to know, say, well then, I'm a look at daughter, I'm a look at son alone a pass through there. So you understand me? It's not like Evie is a group of people who do it consecutively every morning, you know what I mean? You have to make certain as a parent, say, you know what I mean, them have them secure, you know what I mean? That's stupid. You understand me? And the MP for the area, him not see them thing there. For fix certain road and fix certain local channel where people them can move to and from back in a good and nice harmony. You know what I mean? Them not see them thing there for do. That's why I mean a man may have to point finger upon them. Anytime certain thing happen. You understand me? And the parent have a whole responsibility because you can't send your child in a danger. You understand me? Because you have to can identify danger for yourself. You know what I mean? Next thing what I want to say, you know, I say this already, you know, every good country, you know, where you see, you know, live good, you know, are because a good family, you know, structure they unite, you know. Want to the family, the good family structure in a Jamaica. Want to the parent them who care, who care for other people child. Want to them people that them not their own no more. Yo, the moment from the community here said the little girl missing. We're not supposed to depend on no police. The whole community is supposed to get busy instantly. I look for the little girl and supposed to depend the search. Because here we go on. When me I grew and they all in the ghetto. Let me tell you something. You can't broke no shop. You can't rape nobody. You can't be no pedophile. Certain things you can't do them things there. If you do that, the whole community will come out for you, my virgin. And all if nobody not see you, my virgin, every pedophile get dig up, man. Every single one, man. Well, often know a woman, if somebody shop broke, man, every boy or broke shop, I get run up in the morning. People are going to get broke up. You understand me? So certain things never used to go on. But me I watch this thing and I tell you, see from this homosexual thing, I get prevalent in a Jamaica. The most me ever see, little girl get raped and killed. It come like the man them now no heart, now no love for the little pitney them again, my virgin. Me no know what go on if for the food where the people them a eat or whatever, because a long time drugs in is where me I deal with. So I must some new thing a go on. Me no understand. You know what I mean? If I the imported food, whatever I go on, me no know what I go on. But me I say, mankind have hard for do all of them things there. You see what me I deal with? Dog, I can't have the kids them and no security for them. My virgin from my reach 20, by the time I reach 25 years old, you know, I already find myself with 2 kids already, you know. By the time I reach 25 years old, you know. Yo, my baby mother is a pharmacist, you know. She work at the pharmacy now. She go give the prescription and she full the prescription for you. Give whatever medicine where they pan it in my virgin. She gone to work from in the morning, my dog. Me's a trade man, you know. Car my spray, you know. I work over the garage. God so good to me that mean. You know what I mean? I work for pay myself. So I don't really work on not body time. And my time I work on. You know what I mean? Yo, I have to carry the youth them go to school in my birthday. I have to carry one around a Michael, you know. Them time that I look about the name Hernan Barkley. Him around a Michael, him I go to, you know. I have to carry the youth on a Michael and carry the next one go to school, you know. I have to go back for them, you know, and all them stuff there, you know. Yo, 7-year-old and them thing there. A whole and thing go to school. And that my parents used to do. Whole and. Or the father have him on him look a bicycle or carry him or father drive him or whatever. Or so you carry look a pitney go to school. And I saw you go for them too. Or you make somebody big go for them. You know what I mean? Or you have taxi in a road station or bring them home. You know what I mean? You have to have some form of responsibility there. You have to have some form of security there for the little child. Yeah, school we send her and she's supposed to reach a school, whatever. But what our safety, about our safety on our way to school. You understand me? And the man them a get too wicked, my brother. Because I don't know what with them people. I don't know what happen. I want to get in the people them. You know what I mean? I must some cannibal style. Because I don't know what this. You know what I mean? We have to set example because you know and the man them light a man on fire, you know. I don't know if I him or not. Whatever, you know. But them thing there, them thing they used to go on back then. And that's why a man did even afraid for even attempt them thing there. You understand me? But no man I go like same can just get up and do whatever I feel like or whatever I want. Just because the community them need to start take back in charge of the country. It's not the government run the country, or the people them. Start take back charge of the country, my brethren, and take charge of the community. From each community, I take charge of them community, man. Everything I go cute and Christian, and anything people can do. And when time when I see people do some wicked and dreadful, I can sit down on it and I talk about informing thing. Sometimes when I forgot pre this in our head, you know, is it informing or una a poll with people for do the wrong things? Or you look on that. Is it informing or you appalling with people for do the wicked and gruesome thing and get away with it? Yo, and I forgot start wise up in my birthday. When you can't do them thing there, you know. Because all that is a wrong thing you there they do too, you know. At the general, you know, the 10-star one I represent, you know, and you don't know when I represent, how I represent. So I say the MP down at that era there. You're not supposed to make nothing like that happen again down there, you know. So if the children them are use that shortcut they for go to school, you know, you have to go fix it up properly, you know. When you go bush, you know, supposed to yam or fruits or something you go pick. Nobody not supposed to go through no bush or go no school. Them thing they cut out a 1960s style them there. A modern days, you know. You see what I deal with? And that's why I say the parents should not allow the little child to go through the bush without nobody big, no there, no security for them. When I don't know the general, the 10-star one. Watch.